Alright, so today I'm going to review my trades. I feel like today is another pretty difficult trading day. I'm on a solid red streak right now, so probably will look to reduce my risk by half until I can start to see more consistent numbers being put in here. But the first trade I took was on PLTR, down into 2-day VWAP. Very strong day one, came into 2-day VWAP. And so I just get long as it on the 2-minute comes through, almost retest, gets back above prior bar candle breaks, and above the prior bar breaks, and then the pre-market support level. And then it starts to kind of go, and then it just sort of fails and breaks prior bar breaks. So I didn't like that, so I just got out of that position. Most out of the market is kind of like chopping around, selling and stuff. So Justin and Jeff also tried this, and like it tried to go again here, and then just fails. And then it did eventually make it. It's just being very choppy or very difficult trader. I feel like it is a lot of the times. So I thought this was a pretty good trade here. Just the price action is much more erratic than I'm used to, and even again it starts to sell off, rebids. So difficult trader for me, but good trade idea. Then I took HP. So this one, again, here's the 1 minute on this one. Comes up, sells immediately off the open, comes up and rebids, but loses view up, consolidates, and then breaks down. So this one pops back up on volume, so probably should have got out as soon as I saw that volume, but I took a stop on it instead. But this was a decent, I think a good entry, HPE. And then I took an Apple second chance. So this one came into 2-day low of day, right into low of day, and was holding it. So I just took this as a second day off of the 2-day lows. And you see that we had a big volume candle here, and then a big candle here, and it just immediately cuts down, and then it starts to like not be able to hold trend and starts to break down. So I just get out of this, chops around for a long time before it does get back above. So I mean, this would have also been a good trade. It's just price action is a lot more choppy than I'm used to. You can see the market's just kind of chopping around as well. So difficult trade for me as well, but good trade idea. And then finally, I took a Oracle. I took this as a view of continuation. So I took this on the 1 minute, and I'm sorry, no, the 2 minute, but you can see that it gets back above the 90 EMA on the 1 minute. It breaks this trend that it had on a nice rebid candle on the 2 minute, and then it's just kind of stops me out here. So this was a good trade as well, I feel like. I guess you could argue it's overextended, but this is a view up continuation. Looks like so this was a good trade as well. Just lost on all these ideas where the price action was erratic. Yeah, not bad for me today. Selectivity, I feel like was a maybe a B plus. All right, today is my first day back home in the U.S. Feeling pretty tired. Spent all day yesterday traveling. Got up at 4 a.m. today, keeping on that sort of European time schedule. And the last day I traded on Friday, I had a pretty bad trading day. I haven't yet even had time to review the tape and do thorough review like I normally do. Because I was preparing to leave, but I did have a bigger loss than I've had in a while. So today, just want to be very risk conscious. Want to just focus on making, a good trade, get green. So today I'm looking at Oracle. And I can just feel like the heaviness of being tired too. So gonna be very light on today, I think. But anyway, Oracle, we have a gap give and go into this 150, 55 levels, so that's my main watch. We also have PLTR, which is getting added to the S&P 500, so this is a day 2. And then we have a bunch of other things that are moving in play. So I will watch this. We have open in just 3 seconds. So we are at 5 Orville. DJT is at 4 Orville. Tesla, Apple, PLTR. Not really doing anything I would like. HPE is going down. And HPE is about 5 Orville as well. So going to keep this one on watch. HPE is selling on about 5 Orville, so look for either an opening range break or a few continuation on it. So looking for like a gap give and go into this 34 level. All right, so stop is actually should be set lower. So we're seeing a nice flood of green prints here into the 2D view up into the pre-market support area. We also have Qs and NVIDIA. It's also selling Apple. Oracle is mm. So let's see here. Volume profile, still we have a price action looks good on the 2 minute. Nice green prints coming in. We can start to maybe create a very aggressive trend here. Probably needs to do another pullback and dip and show support. I think Apple is selling really hard. It's at lows of yesterday. So probably I would not want to see it back below this area, and then I can get out. So this is 12. Just got out of that position here. Got out of my PLTR position. I feel like the market is struggling right now. Taking HPE short. So it had consolidated. HP, it's consolidated below VWAP, and then it started selling, and it really had like this consolidation level at 1617, and then It's holding below that. So it's looking really strong so far. It had like reaction lows, somewhere around this area. So I think that it can get below this level. Can maybe retest 16 or back into low day. And I think also this is a nice second chance on Apple. Into yesterday's lows, starts holding it. Market is looking decent. Mm. Go long Apple here. It's holding the yesterday's lows. Mm. A lot of buying coming in HP. Okay, so PLTR. Mm. Oracle went to ATR. Are you getting short, Eric? Are you like scaling into a short position, or where'd you get short? All right, so Apple. So it's holding below the 9 EMA on the 2-minute. Just gonna get out. I see tape coming in. So view up continuation set up. Go long for a view up continuation on Oracle to that rebid. We have 156.98 as a nice stop, whole dollar amount, rebid, view up continuation on the 2-minute. So far I've been wrong, I think, on all of my ideas. ELTR did make it up there, but it's not making it easy on anybody. Wick up, wick down. Apple still working out. Market's going higher. This is 2 ATR, so it is quite overextended. But I think that probably shorts are, I mean, people are looking to get it short. Lower volume pullback, rebid right off of VWAP. Let's see if we can put in some sort of backside that it starts holding above. Lower volume selling and higher buying here, so it still looks pretty clean. It's holding below the 90 MA on the 1 minute so far, but it hasn't done anything necessarily wrong. This is actually what it did yesterday when it put in its. My bad, sorry. This is what happened yesterday on PLTR. If I go into PLTR, so it made a VO continuation play all the way higher days. They put in a higher low through VWAP and then finally went. PLTR did make it back to VWAP, but it's being tough trader. I have the Qs that are kind of chopping around right now. Apple, which is still slowly grinding its way back up to VWAP at the moment. Tesla. Tesla is pushing highs. So I think if this gets back above in this level here, probably have another clean entry above 158.20. Which ticker? So selling is starting to happen on Oracle. We got volume coming in. Is 157.15. It's definitely a fight going on right now. And taken out of that one as well. Oh, man.